Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the update for the 2025 Mercedes-Benz V-Class and Vito vans, which are set to roll out early next year. These vans are getting a fresh new look and some cool tech upgrades to keep them ahead of the game since their debut in 2014. Mercedes-Benz is continuing with their traditional V-Class and Vito model, which will still have an internal combustion engine and even beyond to 2026. But here's the exciting part. They are also introducing a new electric lineup to replace the EQV and EVito, featuring the cutting-edge Van.EA electric vehicle platform. This new electric platform, launching in 2026, will be used for mid-size and large vans, including the upcoming ESprinter. It promises longer driving ranges, various drivetrain options, and the advanced MB.OS infotainment system. Now let's talk about the refreshed V-Class and Vito. They sport a new design with a bigger front grille, redesigned headlight, and sleek LED tail light. They also come with the latest Mercedes-Benz steering wheel that feature touch control. You'll notice some new exterior color as well, including Kalahari Gold, High-Tech Silver, Soda Light Blue, Alpine Grey, and Vintage Blue. Plus, the vans now offer updated wheel design with the size going up to 19 inches. Inside, the Vito and EVito, which are geared toward business use, now feature a 10.25-inch widescreen MB.OS infotainment system, upgraded from the previous 7-inch screen. There also a larger 5.5-inch color instrument cluster display with analog dial. New feature for the Vito includes a wireless phone charger, dimmed rear lighting for easier loading in low light conditions, and optional extras like an electric tailgate, heated steering wheel, and a 360-degree camera system. Production for the right-hand drive version of these updated Mercedes-Benz Z models, the V-Class, Vito, EQV, and EVito, is kicking off early in 2025. You can expect to see them in showroom in the first half of the following year. So what do you think about the update to these Mercedes-Benz vans? Are you excited about the electric options? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the more update and review. Catch you next time.